Wonderful. Hi, everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to be starting a project I'm calling Delivery Ball, and I will explain what it is in a little bit because people haven't, I started streaming 30 seconds ago. People haven't shown up. I'm just going to start making it. So Delivery Ball is a 3D game. So we need a. Well, let's just call this world. And delete this. Well, I just don't need it. So here's our world. We're going to add child node static body. We're going to add a collision shape and a mesh instance. And then make this box. Make the box 200 by 200 by 1. Same thing here. Box mesh 200. That should give us a nice wide playing field. Let's make it make the icon big go. There we go. Not scaled right, but that's fine. Okay, now we want a static body. Or not a static body, a rigid body. So static body stays where it is. Rigid body has a moves based on physics. So we're gonna add a mesh instance and a collision shape for that. And as you might have guessed by the title, this is going to be a cylinder, or not a cylinder, a sphere. Sphere shape 3D. Sphere mesh. And then material, material. Albedo silver. Okay, what is that on? Okay, yep, so let's take this. Move the whole thing up a bit. There we go. Now, if we add a camera to world, then what we should see is this ball falls and maybe bounces a little bit. And that's it. Let's just material bounce. Let's put that up to wait. Break this up. So yeah, here we go. So current should be fine. It's fine. Okay, great. So that works. Now let's add environment to scene. Add sun to scene. Go again, and wonderful. Now let's add a script here. So I don't need a ready right now, so we'll just get rid of that. And this is, as the comment says, this is called every frame. And so what we're going to do here is if input is action just pressed, you accept, and that. Well, we'll replace that later, but apply central impulse 3 And then what that should do is it falls, it bounces. Yay. Now if I press the jump button, I can do this as many times as I want. It'll it'll go high, and then it should fall and bounce. Yep, wonderful. And since the bounciness is 0.8, this will take a while. Okay, so that's that. But I don't actually think I want to jump to this game. That's just the easiest to test. So let's do. Apply central force, and let's get rid of that middle. Let's do. Yep, and as you can see, because the camera is directly parented to the ball, when the ball spins, the camera spins. And there's a way around this. I just need to go look it up. But yeah, so let's do that 3 more times. And just make sure these all work. Oh wait, no, they definitely don't work. Because I didn't. Okay, so does up go forward? Does back go backward? Okay, right? No, no, left and right are backwards. Now let's make these not is action just pressed, but just is action pressed. That means as long as it's held down, this will happen. Then let's make these values much smaller because it'll accelerate. And then go forward. Yep. Okay. Don't know what the black. Okay. Yeah. Gotta make the camera not follow it so precisely. And the way that we do that is I need to go find the tutorial. Dancing ball game. Let's see, I know it involves a marker. Cool. So we need a. Okay, so I believe it's called a marker 3D. Camera title that. And then I believe that was. So something. True. Okay, so I do need a ready function. Func ready. Okay. Yep. Camera go. That should work. And when we do that, things break. Right, camera rig. Oh, right, I didn't need a camera rig. Okay, yeah, single camera rig. Okay, let's try that again. Node not found. Top level. Do I need to use the older version? Oh, heck, I forgot the timer, didn't I? Okay, how long have I been streaming? Oh, I'm not even. No, I've been streaming for 12 minutes. Okay. Uh. 8. Well, 12 plus 48, I believe. That should be right. Can't lay out. Okay, let's start that going. Does that cover up anything in the editor? Stuff. Just put that off here. Okay, where are we? Should figure out. Oh wait, no, this covers up my browser, which I need. Okay, that should be fine. That's it, first drum, finger shape, right? Okay. Um. It's line 4, so that's that. Um. Really? Okay. Properties. Gizmo extents. Micro 3D. Um, I've used this before and not had problems. Okay, well, let me just open. Let me just open a previous version that I was working on that had this working. Um, did this one? I've been trying to get this game searched for a while now. Okay, this is. If I run this, it'll probably do the same thing. Yeah, this doesn't even have the camera. Yeah, this is the one. Jumping into try 2. This has its own issues, but on the oh wait, crap. You know what? Um, I didn't start with this from scratch, which is how you usually do a game jam, but for the sake of keeping this stream interesting, we're just gonna pretend that this is the thing I started working on. So, ball or script. Um, oh, now we want to do the same. That goes here in the world. Add script. Script. Process. My eyes are getting blurry for some reason. Okay. Hmm. At least I have coffee. Okay, so this part works correctly. Camera rotate up. Okay, so camera. Okay, so why does this? Why does this one work and the other one that's identical not work? Whatever. Oh, because it's on the. Did I put the script in the camera rig? Okay. Well, no, it's on the rich body. But that's the right one. As you can see, I've tried to get this project started a number of times. We'll get there eventually. Okay, so Project by 3D. Say branches soon. What? Was this not a child of... let's try that. Does it work? Okay, why can't I select... I can't see my character. So... we'll have to fix that in the 3D view. Alright. Okay. Wait, what? So if I move this into the camera, right? So the camera's transform needs to be 0. Wait. Okay. Oh yeah. Right. Let's just put this all down, and then let's set the the transform of the oh, is the transform covered by my head? Uh, okay, well, it's covered by my head. I'll move. No, that's one thing. Move myself for now. Anyway, transform. Make that 0, 0, 0. Let's move this back over here. Okay. So now what should happen is reset that transform. Reset that transform. Okay. So now camera 3D. Reset that transform. Okay, right. So this. I want the camera rig. No, wait, no, I do want the camera itself to be behind and above. Okay, so that works. And is our movement script doing anything? Okay, it is just very slowly. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, our camera is following our ball, and our ball. Yeah, so all of that works. Now I'm going to copy all of this, put it in here. Sense. Okay, well, I also need the sensitivity then. Okay. Wonderful. So now I should be able to look around. Okay, well, something's goofed with that, but that's fine. We'll figure that out. Oh, is it most mode that captured? I need to get that too. Yep. Most mode that captured. Okay, so now I can look 360 degrees, and that's why we have the escape to quit. Escape to quit. Stop. World. Oh, did I not? Oh, okay. Well, add script. Process if should just press my cancel, I believe. Get true dot quit. Wonderful. Oh, hey card. Hey card Kotaki. Uh just making some games. I've been I've tried to make this like 12 times at this point. And so this is sort of the like the sort of the it's got a bunch of different versions. Then I'm doing the features of each basically. And oh right, I this is the issue I was running into last time. So the current thing I'm trying to figure out is I'm doing this apply central force. So that should be can I just multiply that by like the angle of a player? Because the player like it's only gonna rotate Y. So okay, sure. Yeah, because currently we've got tank controls, which is what I don't want. Um, oh gosh. Do you have an idea how to do this? So what I've currently got going on is I can move the mouse and I can move the character. Uh, yum. Put add, add export. Speed 10. Okay, so yeah, I can move around and I can move my camera, but they're not really connected. Oh, and I need to add some sort of way to respond to character. All the basic stuff of if position dot y less than -3 vector 3 dot 0. What the oh, okay. Nope. -20. Yeah, okay, so it still works. And then it's not zeroing out my okay. You know what? We'll just let this run. Just let this run. It's got an 80% bounciness, so it'll eventually figure itself out. Okay. Now, actually, I should give this a texture as well. Which one? Since icon diversity. So you can tell if it's rolling or not. So you can see that I'm. Yeah, so it's rolling. It's rolling. It's rolling. Whatever. Okay. Well. Okay. Let me see if. Okay. So. Okay. Let's see if I can find a texture. This is definitely camera relative movement. Okay, I don't actually understand this. Hmm. Uh, my left eye for some reason I've got like distortion in it or something. Which the player's input by the camera's positioned at Y. Um. Okay. So, Kotagi, do you understand any of this? Okay. Motion forward. Dot base set Z. I guess that's a forward vector. Projected on the XZ plane to eliminate pitch. Don't know what that means. Oh, don't worry about it. I'm trying to figure out how. Okay, so currently in my game, my movement. Oh, come on, it's not. Yeah. So my movement is relative to the camera. So if I move the camera, then the amount, like what my direction keys. Wait, does it actually? Like what my direction keys do? I don't think it, like how it changes. So it makes movement a little confusing. And I'm reading on Reddit what's going on, like how I'm supposed to do it, and I'm not quite absorbing any of it. This one looks the most useful? Question mark. Uh, Basically, yeah. So if you're looking, if you're looking 30 degrees to the left and you press W, it should go toward where you're looking. So this returns a vector 3. So right and forward. Um, this looks promising, but I don't fully understand it. You know what? I can't see clearly out of my left eye right now, which is making it hard to read text. I'm probably I'm gonna have to end this stream because I can't read well right now. Um, but I'll be back at some other point. Thanks for stopping by. Based on my movement around a direction variable. Yeah, yeah, definitely. Um, I think I think when my eye clears up, I'm gonna. I've never had this before. When my eye clears up, I'm gonna get back to it. Yeah, I like this Reddit thing seems helpful, but I'm not fully understanding it and I can't read it very well. So let's pause this. Yeah. Or did I? Oh, dang it. Oh, what was it on before? So I'll just find out. This is all falling apart. It's fine. I will figure it out later. Thanks for stopping by. Hi, YouTube. This video probably sucks, so don't click on it. And I will see y'all